Hi, Christina Lukac here with Usborne Books and More. And if you have someone in your house that is struggling to learn to read, then I have something that can definitely help you. We have a couple of wonderful reading sets that are great for introducing your child to reading books and to get them reading independently. So one of them is our very first reading set. And this is a collection of 15 hardback books, and it also comes with a parent's guide. And the parent's guide will walk you through exactly how to use these books, but essentially you start with the first book. Start with the first book, which is Pirate Pat, and you'll see here that you're going to read the little bit of text, and your child is going to read the big text right here, and it's going to get them used to reading, but also you're going to be doing the majority of the work. As the books progress, they're going to have a little bit more to read, and you have a little bit less. So it's going to keep going like that until you get to book 8, and by book 8 they're going to be reading the entire book themselves. So it's going to build on those skills and really get them reading. 15 books, which is an amazing value in a box, which is awesome. What you can also get is our My First Reading library. This contains the same 15 books from the very first reading set and an additional 35 books. These are paperback books instead of hardbacks, but they're only $10 more for this entire huge set. So this is definitely a great value. You get 50 books in this set. So check this one out. It just builds on. So once your child's reading book 15, this is some level 1 and then some level 2 books that they can read to keep building their skills. If you're looking for some individual books that you can use to help a child learn to read, we have our phonics books. Our phonics collection is a huge collection of books based on one phonetic sound at a time. So this is the I sound, big pig on a dig. But these are silly stories. The kids love them. You can use them as bedtime stories for reading early on. But they're also good for working on those phonetic sounds. And this is good for pre-reading as well. And another one we have here is Bug on a Rug, just to give you an example. Okay, so you can see here lots of silliness. So the kids like it, but it's actually good to help them in reading. Once your kids are reading, then you want to move on to chapter books. And our beginner chapter books, we have Hey Jack and Billy B. Brown. They are neighbors and best friends. They're in each other's books, but these are great for introducing chapter books to your child. So if you're sitting here saying, my kid can't read chapter books, if they can read sentences, then they can get started. You can see it's big text, but these are great to get them reading. There's still a couple pictures to keep them interested, but these are awesome for first chapter books. Check these out, and good luck getting your child reading. If you need any advice, let me know. Thank you.